Every year, more than 8 million people lose their lives due to tobacco usage, a number that's set to increase if we don't act now. Think about that for a moment. 8 million lives every single year. That's equivalent to the entire population of New York City disappearing annually. It's a mind-boggling figure that underscores the pervasive and deadly reach of tobacco. Across the globe, there are over 1 billion smokers. That's about 1 in every 7 people. In some countries, smoking is so prevalent that nearly half of the adult population are smokers. It's a global health crisis that transcends borders and affects people from all walks of life. And it's not just the smokers who are at risk. Secondhand smoke is a silent killer, claiming the lives of more than 600,000 non-smokers every year. That's more than the population of Boston. Innocent bystanders, if you will, caught in the deadly cloud of tobacco smoke. But the devastation doesn't stop there. Smoking is a leading cause of a plethora of diseases. It's linked to around 80% of all lung cancer deaths. Not to mention, it significantly increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and a host of other health problems. It's a ticking time bomb, slowly wreaking havoc on the body. Imagine the human potential that's lost to smoking each year. The innovators, the artists, the leaders, the loved ones. It's a loss that's felt by families, communities, and nations. It's a loss that's felt by all of us. But here's the kicker. Despite the staggering death toll and the undeniable health risks, millions continue to light up every day. It's a testament to the power of addiction and the allure of tobacco. However, let's not forget that every cloud has a silver lining. The human body is remarkably resilient. It begins to repair itself almost immediately after a person quits smoking. It's a testament to the power of the human spirit and the will to change. But the good news, it's never too late to quit. Smoking isn't just a bad habit, it's a complex addiction. It all starts with nicotine, a potent substance found in tobacco. This little chemical is a master manipulator, hijacking your brain's reward system and leaving you craving for more. Picture this. When you inhale the smoke from a cigarette, nicotine rushes into your bloodstream and up to your brain in a matter of seconds. Here, it binds to receptors, triggering the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter responsible for feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. This dopamine rush is what hooks you, but there's a sinister catch. Over time, your brain adapts to these regular nicotine-induced dopamine surges, and it starts demanding more. You find yourself smoking more and more just to feel normal, and when you try to quit, your brain revolts, leading to unpleasant withdrawal symptoms like anxiety, irritability, and intense cravings. Understanding the science can arm you with the tools to fight back. Quitting smoking is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. This step starts with setting a quit date. Now, why is that important? Well, a quit date gives you a clear goal to aim for. It's a beacon of light in the foggy journey of quitting. This date should be realistic, not too far off in the future, but also not tomorrow. You want to give yourself ample time to prepare, both mentally and physically. Next, you need your cheerleaders, your support system, your people. These are your friends and family who will be there for you when the going gets tough. Inform them about your decision to quit smoking and your quit date. They can provide encouragement, understanding, and even a friendly reminder of why you chose this path when you're tempted to stray. Now let's talk about your environment. It's time to de-smoke your life. Remove all reminders of smoking. Yes, that means throwing out cigarettes, lighters, ashtrays, even that favorite coffee mug you always use when you light up. Creating a smoke-free environment helps to minimize temptations and makes it easier to resist the urge to smoke. Finally, it's crucial to identify your smoking triggers. These are the situations, feelings, or activities that make you want to smoke. It could be stress, it could be boredom, it could be that after-dinner coffee. Identifying these triggers helps you to anticipate them and plan ways to handle them without resorting to smoking. Remember, quitting doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that requires patience, commitment, and a whole lot of self-love. So, forgive yourself if you stumble, and celebrate every small victory. Each cigarette not smoked is a win towards your healthier, smoke-free life. In the end, the key to successfully quitting smoking lies in preparation. It's about setting yourself up for success from day one. It's about giving yourself the best chance to overcome this addiction. Preparation is key. It sets the foundation for your smoke-free life. Now that you're prepared, it's time to put a plan into action. The first step is to choose a quit date. It's important to pick a day within the next 2 weeks. This gives you enough time to prepare, but not too much time to change your mind. Next, consider nicotine replacement therapy. This helps manage withdrawal symptoms while you adjust to life without cigarettes. Nicotine patches, gum, and lozenges are all over-the-counter options. Prescription treatments include nicotine inhalers and nasal sprays. Medications can also be a beneficial part of your quit plan. Certain prescriptions like bupropion and varenicline can help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. However, these are not suitable for everyone and should be discussed with a healthcare professional. Another option is counseling or support groups. These provide a safe space to share experiences and learn from others on the same journey. Remember, you're not alone in this. Now let's discuss lifestyle changes. Start by identifying your smoking triggers and devise a plan to avoid or handle them. Perhaps it's stress, alcohol, or even coffee. Find healthier alternatives or ways to distract yourself when these triggers arise. Exercise is a fantastic distraction and it boasts numerous health benefits. When cravings strike, go for a walk, do some yoga, or hit the gym. Also pay attention to your diet. Some foods like meat can enhance the taste of cigarettes, while others like cheese, fruit, and vegetables can make them taste worse. Experiment with different foods to find what works best for you. Lastly, don't forget to reward yourself. Each day, week, or month you go without smoking is a victory. Celebrate these milestones with something you enjoy, be it a movie night, a new book, or even a vacation. Remember, quitting is a journey, not a sprint. You might have setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Instead, learn from them and keep moving forward. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Congratulations, you've quit smoking, but the journey doesn't end here. The real challenge begins now, maintaining a smoke-free lifestyle. The key to this is understanding that cravings are not your enemy, but a part of the process. They are temporary, and over time they will become less frequent and less intense. In the face of cravings, it's crucial to have a plan. This could be a simple distraction like taking a walk or calling a friend. Alternatively, it could be a more structured approach, such as practicing mindfulness or deep breathing exercises. Managing stress is another crucial aspect of staying smoke-free. Stress can be a trigger for many people, but remember, smoking is not a solution. Instead, find healthier ways to cope. This could mean physical activity like yoga or running, or it could be something more calming like reading a book or listening to your favorite music. Staying motivated can sometimes be challenging, but remember why you quit in the first place. Your health, your family, your freedom. These are all powerful motivators. Keep them at the forefront of your mind and use them as a source of strength in difficult moments. Remember, every smoke-free day is a victory. Every craving resisted is a triumph. And every moment of strength is a testament to your determination. You've made it this far and you can keep going. Quitting smoking is the best decision you can make for your health. Let's recap what we've learned today. We began our discussion with a sobering reality check, detailing the staggering facts about the impact of smoking on our health and society. We dove into how smoking doesn't only harm the smokers themselves, but also those around them, painting a vivid picture of how deeply this habit is ingrained in our communities. Next, we ventured into the science of addiction, exploring how our brains can be hijacked by nicotine, creating a cycle of dependency that can be challenging to break. We learned how addiction is not a sign of weakness, but a complex interplay of biology and behavior. Armed with this knowledge, we then discussed the importance of preparation in the journey to becoming a non-smoker. From setting a quit date to understanding withdrawal symptoms, we explored various ways to gear up for this life-altering decision. We also delved into the strategies for success, highlighting different methods that can help smokers quit, such as nicotine replacement therapy, support groups, and healthy lifestyle changes. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, and it's crucial to find a strategy that works best for you. Lastly, we focused on how to maintain a smoke-free lifestyle, emphasizing the importance of ongoing support, dealing with triggers and cravings, and celebrating smoke-free milestones. Remember, every smoker can quit. Start your journey to a healthier, smoke-free life today.